Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Dr. Narendra Sarda. So today's video is about why should you choose Japan for your higher studies. So in this video, I will tell you if you choose Japan for your higher study, then what is the monthly cost, what is the living expenses here, and what is the fee structure for the education, and how you can apply for the scholarships and what are the options that I will explain in this video. I make one small presentation, so hope it will help you to understand more better. Okay, let's.
So yes, there is not only one reason, there are several reasons why you should choose Japan for your higher studies. Like the first one is Japan is one of the most high-tech country in the world. Yes, we know that how Japanese technology is ruling the world. Then the next is high quality education programs. They have several research, doctorate, postgraduate, postdoctorate, and vocational courses are there with high technology equipment. So yeah, they have a high quality education programs. The third one is low crime rate and the excellent healthcare system. Yeah, this is the these two things are very important, and because of this it is the safest country to study abroad. Yeah, it's my personal experience, like if you roam in the midnight as well, without any fear, the low crime rates, there is very safe, you can say safest country on the earth. Then the next one is job opportunity after you graduate. Yeah, there are multiple job opportunities. There are many companies, international, multinational companies, or like big groups like Panasonic, Toshiba, or Mitsubishi Group, Hitachi Group. There are many companies that you can get a job easily in the in this group. Yes, after if you graduated from any Japanese university, you can try for these companies, to do your career. Yes, in my case, like I completed my PhD in 2016, and before 5 6 months, offer letter was in my hand. So I got before my PhD, I got job from Hitachi Group. So yes, there are a lot of job opportunities available in the market now.
So let's check about the tuition fees and scholarship support. Living cost might be higher than your country, but the tuition fees and tuition fees are comparatively, cheap if you compare with the United States, UK, or Europe. So the best part is, you have many opportunities to get back your tuition fees. So it's all upon how you perform on your first semester or second semester. So in my case, I published two research papers within 1 year. So that's why university decided to pay back my all tuition fees. So I did my PhD in zero N. So yeah, it's all about your performance. I also got some poster award, poster presentation award, uh, research award. So that's why they university decided to pay my money. So there are many chances that you can get your 50% or 100% money. It's all depend on the university and your performance, how you do. So yeah, there are chances to get back your tuition fees. Also, some Japanese government and universities, they have some various scholarship support program. So in that also minimum at least 30,000 and you can get it. So yeah, you have opportunity to get some scholarship or some fund, from research fund, from your professor, or from the university. So yeah.
So let's check about the tuition fee structure and the scholarship. This is Hiroshima University. University is free fee structure, but yeah, almost you will get the same. This is the minimum tuition fees, enrollment fees, and application fees, you can say. So the application fees is 30,000 yen for the graduate student or master or doctorate program, and which is like about 18,000 Indian currency. Enrollment fee is 2,82,000 that you need to pay. You will not able to get it back or waive it. So the tuition fee is there. It's 5,35,800 N per year. So for that tuition fee, if you are excellent student or you can apply for to get your tuition fee back. Then as per your academic background and your performance, university can decide how much you can get. 50% or 100% is all up to the university. So next check about the scholarship. Yes, this Japanese government makes scholarship is really, it's best scholarship you can say. If you get this scholarship, then you don't need to worry about your living expenses because they give 1,50,000 Japanese yen. You will get it. But to get this scholarship, it's very difficult. Very a lot of competition is there. So for to get this scholarship, you need your Japanese language. Japanese language is necessary. You must be the level. They have 5 levels, and in that, at least N2 level, Japanese level is necessary. And you can apply this scholarship before entering to Japan. So from your country, you can apply this, and you can able to get that. If you could not able to get that, then if you come to Japan to university, there are many scholarships, private organization scholarships are there that you can get it, but the amount will be vary, 30,000 yen or 50,000 yen like this. Now let's check about the monthly expenses. So actually, monthly expenses, this is completely based on your lifestyle. Based on my experience, I used to spend about average 60,000 to 80,000 in per month in Tokushima University, which is a rural area. So yeah, over there I used to spend this. If you go to a bigger city, maybe you need to pay more. So it's completely depend on based on your lifestyle and the city where you are staying. So I used to pay 60 to 80,000, and in which includes housing expenses, rent, electricity, gas, water bill, food, health insurance, and everything. So this much amount is required. Yes, so there are some support from the university as well. Many university, they provide their dormitory, so that you can, live there and you can save your money. Like they are really cheap. Maybe you have to pay less than 10,000 in per month, but they only provide for 1 year or 2 years. It depends on the each university. But after 1 year, you have to move out from that dormitory and you need to search by your own accommodation, and which cost you maybe 30,000 or 50,000 in between rent only. So the another thing is Japan allow its student to work while they study. So you can do part-time job, which is 28 hours per week, and the basic wage is 1,000 yen per hour you can get it, so you can able to earn 28,000 yen per week. But please remember that if you speak Japanese for at least communication level, maybe intermediate level, N3 level, then there are a lot of job you can do while work. you know Otherwise, there are another option is English teaching job. You can do it. I used to do English teaching job, and I was getting a good money with that, so I could able to support myself. So English teaching jobs are there. Then if you don't get that English teaching job, then maybe you can work in McDonald's or maybe any restaurant. But for that also you need a Japanese language, and yeah, so be prepared for that. So if you can speak Japanese, you have a lot of option to work. So let's conclude today's topic step by step. Yeah. So scholarship and support program are there. The reason why you should study in Japan is one, scholarship and support program. I would suggest please try to get scholarship before coming to Japan. If you will not get, then after coming here, you can try with the university so that you can get some fund from maybe from your professor research fund or from university extra international student fund. Affordable cost of living, yes, as Japanese currency is low, 130 Japanese yen is about one US dollar. So yeah, you can, it's affordable for many country people. And also part-time work is there, so you can support yourself by doing that. And this is a very safe country, very low crime rate. You can walk around anytime. Yeah, so it's safe country, quality of education. Japan has well-equipped technology university. So yeah, you will get a world-class education here. And next is welcoming locals. Yeah, Japanese people are very polite, and though they cannot speak English language, but they will try to help you no matter what. But they will try to help you in their gesture or in they will use Google Translator or anything, but they will help you if you are in trouble. And also this Japan education system plays very important role in this Japanese economic growth. So local also, they're used to with the foreigners. There are many foreigners every year come to Japan for a tourist reason or for education purpose. So yeah, Japanese people are used to with foreigners, and they try to mingle with everyone so that they can learn a different culture. So you will enjoy if you come to Japan. Then variety of courses to choose from. Yeah, there are over 800 universities are there. They offer bachelor degree or master degrees, or wide range of vocational courses to choose. Then when you will be here, explore wonderful nature and culture. Japanese culture is totally different, so you can really enjoy this their culture and nature. They have a lot of holidays. There are many festivals throughout the year going on, so you can enjoy each and every festival here. Then accessible medical treatment. Yes, here if you enter to Japan, you need to go through with national insurance that you need to pay every month, and this will cover your cost. Like only 30% money you need to pay. 70% is covered by that insurance, including dental treatment, which is really you can say it's a good yeah, medical treatment is there. Yeah. So,
Yes, so this is all about why you should choose Japan for your higher studies. There are a lot of opportunities in Japan now also and in the future as well, because Japan population is decreasing, and older age and younger age gap is a lot here. So uh, Japan is, they need a lot of labor, a lot of employment they need now also and from onwards. So that's why Japanese government already opened their hands, that they already allowing a lot of foreigners to come here and study here and work here. So yes, so you can also choose this option for your study. If you need more details about how to apply, how to approach, you can join my YouTube membership, and in that community, I'm posting a lot of information on that, particularly on that how you can apply. So yes, I hope this video was informative for you. So please join me on YouTube, and yeah, see you next video. Bye.